ThinkPad docking station disconnections, especially with USB-C models, are often due to software issues. The main culprits are outdated drivers, firmware, or power delivery problems. To quickly fix this, first use the Lenovo Vantage app to run a diagnostic check on your dock connection and install any available updates for drivers and firmware. Second, ensure you're using a Lenovo-approved USB-C cable, as third-party cables often cause power or data drops. Lastly, disable Windows 11's fast startup feature, as it can interfere with USB device recognition. Checking your event logs in Device Manager for USB device not recognized can also provide clues. If quick fixes don't work, dive deeper. Mismatched drivers between your dock and OS can cause enumeration errors, so verify compatibility. Also, physical wear on USB-C ports or cables can lead to poor contact, worsened by bending. For long-term solutions, Lenovo is moving towards integrated docking solutions and more reliable USB standards like USB 4 v2.0, promising faster speeds and better error correction. Expect AI-driven diagnostics in Lenovo Vantage to predict and prevent disconnections based on usage patterns, alongside docks with replaceable parts for extended lifespan. By 2030, universal standards compliance should nearly eliminate disconnection problems, though third-party accessories may still lag.